Hello and good morning. Doing a simple grind on a chuck key. Gonna make it fit a chuck that I don't have a good wrench for. And I'm using, for the first time, this better indexing setup I put together from Rob's junk box. Quite a bit better than what I had, and it has the click. Hey, I'll tell you another thing I found, and it goes back to the 70s when Rob and I both started doing machine work, and it was more common than it is now. And I think it's kind of a neat thing because it kind of falls into the sustainable low cost living with machine tools, and that is this box here, and it's just full of carbide. Rob had these boxes, and it took me a while to figure out that they're old microscope slide boxes. So here's a box of carbide here, and some of this is some old style. Some of these are used and some are actually new, that had weird clamps and chip breakers and stuff back in the 80s, 70s. But there's a lot of carbide blanks in here, and I've got extras too. Well, I can't find them right off. He's got pieces of blanks and things in here. But anyway, it used to be that people used to make their own tools out of carbide, and he even has some of the proper silver solder that you can put on top of your steel part or shank, then cut out a piece and lay a piece of carbide on it and heat it up and braze it on that way. Now I'm going to see if I can find this other box here. Yeah, right here. He had some cutters that he had made, and it's really nice to look at stuff like this that goes back into time. Look at that. That's a really nice carbide grooving, internal grooving tool. Just so nicely done. Isn't that nice? And it's still useful now. I do a lot of small stuff on the 10EE, so, you know, stuff like this is just very handy. And, you know, you make a tool like this and it lasts for years. It really does. I think that's that old high-speed stuff there, but he's just got a bunch of tools he's made that are really quite nice. That's a piece of carbide he brazed into this square piece of steel. Here's one he made and it got broke off. But if you break them off, you can like heat them up and put another piece of carbide in. Here's another nice one like that other. Isn't that sweet? Really nice. Well, that's kind of the neat thing about making your own tools, I think, is these kinds of things. Yeah, here's another one of those. Very nice. Really, really nice. It'd be really nice for stuff on the machines. So I'm just kind of fitting stuff together here. This lever thing, I thought I'd try it out in the horizontal position, kind of normal, kind of fabbed the bracket up real quick and stuff, and found it doesn't really like running like that. It kind of bounces and does stuff like that. So Rob had it right, standing straight up like that. So I'm gonna hook it down here and have this straight up. And here's my other cool thing of the day. Now, the multi-fix tools. You're familiar with those. It's like the original Swiss. Wait a minute, I'm getting hoarse. Got to find that cup of coffee. It's still quite early, I'll tell you. So, hold on. Very good fresh ground coffee this morning. So, the multi-fix, they had this long time ago, and you can't buy it now. But they had a quick withdrawal tool for threading. Like it kind of worked like the hard inch. Well, okay, out of old stuff, this is an old KDK holder here that's missing the swivel. You could swivel a tool in it. And so happens this hard inch taper cutting slide fit right on there. See that? So I got this, I'm going to rig this up for that fast withdrawal threading instead of having to back off this. This is an older style machine that doesn't have the stop. So you see I got a mark on there and stuff like that. So that'll be useful when I'm doing the smaller threads, the finer threads and stuff. I make a lot of small screws and things. Well, anyway, I thought I'd say hello, and I'm going to get back over to Rob's and see what he has left. Okay, well, I'll see you over there. Okay, bye.